Hey Landbotters, welcome to January's product updates. I'm Nick, and this month we've been working on some improvements and fixes to the app. So let's get into it. First update, improvements to the media block. Now, after using an image or any file from a URL in the media block, you're able to see the corresponding URL by clicking on Edit. This way you won't lose the source of the file. For uploads, the option you have are either open it in a new tab or delete it to replace it. Second update, changes in the welcome block in WebBots. We've added a new feature to the welcome block. You can now either start with buttons, like it was before, with an open question, or multi-question. Third update, date block improvements. You now have the possibility to include or exclude the current date when you set available dates and when you choose the date format. We will now show both the date format and the current date. And finally, last but not least, help text on mobile and live chat. We've improved the help text, making it always visible for the users, regardless of the viewport size they're using at the moment. So that's it. Remember to join our community if you haven't. I'm Nick, and I'll see you in the next one.